Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'll demonstrate to you how you can enable the install VMware tools which has been grayed out or disabled. Let me demonstrate to you what I mean by that. This is my VMware, and if you go to your player here and go manage, you can see that your install VMware tools or reinstall VMware tool options are disabled. Okay, the problem with this is that one of your drive is not enabled in this VMware. So in order to enable this, you go to virtual machine settings, and in here you're gonna have to add DVD-ROM or CD-ROM. Click add DVD CD-ROM drive, finish, and you gotta leave it as auto detect here. So once that is done, click yes on this option here, and what you have to do next is to power cycle your VMware. I'm gonna do that right now. After a quick power cycle, we are back again, and now this time around, if you go back to your VMware menu, player, and manage, you can see that your VMware tools options are enabled. If you click on it, say install, and if you open your Windows Explorer, since your installation file is running, it will show you a DVD for VMware tools to install. I hope it helps. Other than that, have a good day. Bye.